The fans take their seats. The ref is moments away from starting the game. This then, how the home team is looking. The away team have gone with this lineup. It's Perez. Good ball control. Nifty bit of footwork there. Good interception. An expert tackle. Can he get it on target? He couldn't keep that shot down and it's gone flying over. Can he take charge and change the game? And their first shot of the day is off target. To his teammate. Wins the ball. He's got the ball at his feet. Good control from Guimaraes. We went for the ball, but this time the challenge. He misjudged the shot there. Replay shows he didn't connect properly. It went sailing over. Volleyed forward. The defence were caught out, and now he's through on goal. He's just offside. He's launched the ball forward. Okay. Oh, determined challenge there. He steps up to steal the ball. He loves to run with the ball. Good clean challenge. Shocking challenge. Oh, red card. He can protest all he likes, but that was a horrific challenge. He's hit it long. Strong tackle. Oh, well intercepted. Completed the pass. A clean, swift tackle. Won the ball. So one team's game plan has gone out of the window after that sending off. Can the other side use their advantage in the second half? It's 0-0. That change in the second half. Oh, this is crisp passing. Oh, well timed. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. The defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and break. Iwobi running at pace. He's confident on the ball. He's closing in on goal, but can he finish it? Oh, it's in! Great composure from this player. Is that goal just the start of many? That was really well taken. Here's how they did it.
ဒီနော်ဘာဝင်လဲရေးရကြမှာဟုတ်တယ်နော်ဟုတ်တယ်ရေးရမှာဟုတ်ကိုယ်နဲ့ပဲကြည့်ကြတယ်ကိုယ်နဲ့ကိုယ်ပဲ
What a ball. That foul, the referee's looking animated. That's not what he saw. That one looked like it hurt. Did he get the ball though?
မာတားရောက်မှာ
He's kicked it upfield.
မတားပြီးတယ်တက်တယ်
He's taken back possession.
ကဲကဲ
An expert tackle.
ကြောက်ရေးကိုပြီးတော့
Will it go in?
ဟောလေကွာဒီကွာ
ဘုန်းမရှိလာပြီးဘုန်းမရှိလာပြီးတော့
Harris in possession.
လောက်လေးလောက်ဆောင်ဘုန်းမယူ
Wins the ball.
ငါကလမဲဖီနီရှ်ဘူးလေ
Not long left. Can they see out the result?
ဖီနီရှ်
It won't be running at pace.
လောကဖီးပါလောက
နားကနားလေး
He's read that one absolutely perfectly.
ဖီနီရှ်
That was a bad pass.
ကြောက်
ပြီးပါလေ
Lovely pass.
ကြည့်လိုက်လေဟိုဖီနီရှ်
He dribbles the ball forward.
ဟာခရီးလေ
ပါလော
What
က
a well-timed tackle.
ပါလောကပါလေ
ဒီကို
Notes are being taken on the touchlines. Will we see some subs introduced?
တီဗီဟိုတီဗီဘောတော့အကောင်းဆုံးလိုက်ကဲ let's go
There we have it. Full time in this friendly, but the true tests are still to come for this team.
ကြောက်လာကူနေ
တော်ပြီ
ကြောက်တော့ပေါ့ကြောက်လို့လား
Well, for me, that's the correct decision. He's put in 100% and gets the Player of the Match award.
ဟုတ်တယ်အဲ့မှာသေးတော်နေကြောက်ရင်ကြောက်တယ်ဗောဘာလို့တော့ပြီလဲတစ်စံနှောင်းလေးကုန်မှာနှစ်မျိုးနေလို့ပေါ့
နမည်မိုက်တော့ဝကြတိုးတယ်ပါမလား
တော်ပြီပါတော်ပြီပါမစောတော့ဘူးပါတော်ပြီပါ
မနိုင်တော့
ဝကြတိုးတယ်
ကိုကြီးကနှစ်ထောင်ဝေးအားနိုင်တာ၄ဝဲတော့
ဒီလို
ဟုတ်တယ်လေဒီဝေးမှာ
ရိုးလျှော်ပြီးရတယ်တနာလို့လျှော်ပြီး
ပြောတာပဲဒီတခါရှော်မပေးတော့တကိုးစီရိုးတယ်မတိုင်ဘူး
ဟာတော့
နိုင်လည်းမနိုင်
တော်ပြီဟာတနာ
အနာတော့ရှော်ပြီးရခြေထောက်ကြီးက